Good day, Ma'am Hamelet Pueyo. I'm Romel D. Biscaño from Bachelor's of Physical Education, second year. Okay, before I proceed to my main topic, I'll going to discuss first the primary and secondary sources. So, first, primary source. What is the meaning of a primary source? Primary sources are the most direct evidence of a time or event because they were created by people or things that were there at a time or event, whereas secondary sources are used to describe, interpret, generalize, or synthesize primary sources. So let's proceed to my main topic. Okay, the primary and secondary sources that I choose in my presentation is my birth certificate and the photocopy of it. Why I choose this source? I can say that my original birth certificate is the primary source because it came from the PSA office where I requested it myself. And the photocopy of my birth certificate, I can say it's a secondary source um, because it's just a copy of the original or an imitations of my original birth certificate. So that would be all, ma'am.